Hey there guys, so we are back with another video and this time it's about Sony Xperia 10 Mark V. It was leaked on social media platform Weibo and later posted onto Reddit. The post did not clearly indicate that it was Xperia 10 Mark V, it merely states upcoming mid-range Xperia, but when we glanced over the specs, it's clear that it is Xperia 10 V cause it matches closely with Xperia 10 IV. The Xperia 10 V receives a 21:9 aspect ratio with a 1080x2520 pixel resolution, same as its predecessor. However, the biggest difference here is the 2023 model will have a display as large as 6.1 inches as opposed to the 2022 model's 6-inch screen. This seems like a big difference, right? Obviously, I'm kidding. The memory and storage configuration also sees only minor adjustments, with the 6 plus 128GB combo returning. It's probable that Xperia fans would have loved to see at least a small improvement in this area. The Android smartphone will reportedly include a Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 SoC, as was previously rumored. This 4nm chip can handle LPDDR5 RAM at 3200MHz and has a peak CPU clock speed that is same as the 6nm Snapdragon 695. It also has improved Wi-Fi speed compatibility. Furthermore, the power specifications reveal a further minor improvement. While it is still rumored to be limited to a 30W charging speed, same as Xperia 10 IV, the battery capacity of the Sony Xperia 10 V has increased somewhat from 5000 mAh to 5150 mAh. The camera specifications isn't available at the moment, but looking at the leaks, it doesn't feel there is going to be any major improvements here. And these are some very early leaks, so take this information with a grain of salt. With that said, thank you for watching the whole video. If you need more, watch more. Peace out.